Hello people, how are you going? Thanks for watching my video. If you're looking for exact recipe to boost the brain function, improve gut health as well as for skin health, this is exact recipe for you. Thanks for coming, guys. Let's see. I want to go to the point. I'm starting with almond. Like almond is very good for health. People believe it have high source of vitamin E, riboflavin and niacin. Very nice. And the next one is I'm going to add walnut, good for brain, rich for antioxidant and magnesium. And next one is peanut. Peanut is, people believe that good for cancer, gallstone and then hair fall and many other benefits. I think I have to eat a lot this one because I have hair fall. As well as who don't like to eat peanuts, very tasty. And next tasty thing is cashew. Cashew, people believe is good for a healthy skin and then support brain function. Good for healthy skin and support brain function. Amazing. Next one is coconutflake. It's good for vitamin B and very rich on fat. And there are lots of benefit which I can't say like at the moment because a lot. It will be like a whole book. So next one is, can you guess? Pomegranate molasses. It's amazing superfood. Support cardiovascular system. As well as coconut oil is same like coconut flake. It have like almost similar benefit. Up next is chia seed. It's good for health, good for tummy, as well as good source of fiber. Many people using different kind of fruits and many things, but I'm not making much complicated because all the people wants to make it on house and then they don't have more ingredients maybe. That's why I'm going to mix all the nuts and oats, mix with sugar, and then if you wish you can add honey or anything. As well as you can add more fruits if you like it, if you love it, but I don't like much sugar on my breakfast. That's why I'm using only nuts and little bit sugar and then little bit pomegranate molasses, which can enhance flavor as well as taste. As a chef, you can make your own recipe. What nuts you have, what nuts you like to put in, you can put whatever you want, what you have at your house, and then you don't have to go to market to buy the nuts and things. What you have, you can make it and mix it like mix as you like. And I'm going to add brown sugar, which is good for health. I was planning not to add anything, but like finally I know that like if I add brown sugar it will be a little bit crunchy, so I add sugar and molasses. And then this one is cinnamon powder, which is good for like taste and like cinnamon flavor. Like that I add a little bit allspice so that it can be more spicy. Now coming to molasses, I love molasses. It's good, sweet and tangy, amazing. I add a little bit, not much. And then next one is chia seed. I already told you that the benefit of chia seeds is good for health, good for tummy. And then finally I want to mix everything very nicely, very properly. Mix properly. So it's after dry roasting, it will be crunchiness. We can find crunchiness after roasted. So I'm going to roast around like 180 degree for 15 minutes. And this one is ready after like 20-25 minutes. And then I always make sure it is upside down like while roasting, otherwise it will be burned. And then it's almost ready. After it cool down, I'll pack a jar So I stir it, leave for a while. After 15 minutes, it's time to pack it. As you can see, it's lovely and looks very nice. Looks like yum. So I'll try tomorrow morning. Anyway, thanks for your lovely time. If you want more other video, please subscribe me or like it, so you can see earlier. So this one is the granola, homemade granola. This looks very nice. Yes, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.